Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in Pickens, South Carolina. Last time was at Kings Mountain Race for 803, and we're going to enter in a mod stock, VXL, and SC Outlaw dry tire. But let's go ahead and
grab a hairball, put it back.
Where you guys had been here, have you had plenty of time to practice on the tree to understand how it works? It's instant green. Just remember, when you set your car up, you set it right on the line, your tire. That way it's all equal. Not one person line up with the bumper, one person line up with the tire. Everybody set the tire up there, it's instant green. You hit a cone, it's a foul. You hit the stuff on the end, it's a foul, it's over. It's all dry tires, pretty easy day today. So we're going to do a chip draw. That's how we do it. And then if you do first round buybacks, you want to buy back first round, it's just $10. You want to keep racing. And even after we're done racing, you can still make passes if you want to. We're easy to go along with. So any questions from anyone? We're going to do a chip draw. We'll do ladies first, since she's blessed us with her presence today.
You draw the bye, we protest.
They ain't nobody.
Oh, we definitely protesting her anyway. Her car's been winning up here. She ain't even been here. The other little man here. Then we'll go with Daddy. Then we'll let the rest of y'all fight for him. Remember, I only get one.
You gotta find one first.
Alright, there's your hat back. Alright. Everybody happy with your draw?
Well, if you ain't, it don't matter.
I was gonna say, if you ain't happy with it, that's where you at. Where's my number ones?
number ones.
Number ones.
Oh, father and son.
Father and son. Okay.
Because I got to ride my husband.
Who had the blue? Me.
Oh, you know I'm
y'all want to
worried.
trade so we'll have to run each other?
It's fine with me. That's up. Who wants to trade? I got you in the left lane. Who you want to trade with? She's willing to trade with you.
I'm willing to trade. What Kevin here?
Wait,
Take
hold on.
Wait.
Yeah.
You keep yours. Give him mine.
All right, y'all doing shenanigans.
All right, so we have Mama Pace over here in the right lane.
That way we don't have to run each other.
chipping her.
And they don't have to run each other.
Hey, who's about to be?
Okay, who's my number twos? Wheel is in the left.
Logan's in the right.
Logan's in the right.
I ran him first time last time.
Means better be
Number
on
threes.
Better be on your game.
Eric's going to be in the right.
Oh, there you go. So we're all spread out.
I suck on that thing. Kevin.
I don't want to run
Junior.
first round every time.
Who's got my last one?
Every race we
Seniors
draw
in
each
the
other.
right. Volkswagen's out there.
That's new.
Volkswagen.
I'm going to run back over here. What lane do you have?
What way do I have?
Left lane, Logan to the right. You went a 246 to a 257. Look at there, my man. You
Sorry,
showed
I
up
was
today
fixing to run up you.
in the threes.
Hey, can I call a protest for age discrepancy?
Hey, you know what? You can't complain. Your car was running in the threes early. You're a 257. Go over and make an improvement. You went a 257.
That was a good run. This is so fun.
Alright, y'all, hang on. Lanes are hot, guys. Watch light.
Actually bumped the throttle.
Come back. Come on back. Hey, come on back. Come on back. We'll reset. We'll get it back to you. Come on back.
Come help me.
Come on back. It's a race, guys. Look at there. Woohoo! That was a race.
That was a very good
221 in the right, 245 in the left.
Back with it.
You are in the right lane. man, and Kevin Jr. is in the left. Got a 221.
It's back where it used to be.
Tell Kevin he's on the clock. Kevin Jr.'s on the clock. He's got 2 seconds.
2 seconds. 1,001, 1,000. He's disqualified.
DQ, get him out.
All right, now he gets to line up with his back tire since he was late.
He gets to line up with the back tires.
All right, it's ready, guys. Let's tire on that line, Eric. Tire on the line. There you go. All I'm going to say is that the racing is on the other side of the cone. That's all I'm going to say, man.
What's that roll? What'd that run?
I don't know yet. It hasn't triggered it.
Here it goes.
221. 21.
Come on, buddy.
Hey. So they passed the inside. That was pretty good driving. They take out the home. All right. We're going to have Senior in the left, and Senior in the right, and Brett in the left.
Good luck. Yeah.
We have DR10 on DR10 Prime. It's hot, my man. All right, you're both in. A DR10 won. Good job, guys. I tell you, your car is a bracket car. What if I tell you any different? Alright. Eric in the left, Brett in the right. Tree is ready, guys. Good luck. Remember, go on green. Both in. Watch the green. That's going to be a right lane. There you go, Mick. You need to check your shock oils. You got something definitely going on that right side. I'd be willing to put money on it now that you have no shock oil in your right side. There we go. We got power. Alright, I'm armoring the tree now. Hang on. Hang on. The tree is armed, guys. Alright, we're both in. It's a race. Oh, that was almost. That's going to be a right lane. Kevin had to drive that one.
Are we ready?
Yeah, hang on 1 second.
Are you ready?
We have Senior in the left and Mama Pace in the right. Mama Pace put it on him. That's going to be a right lane.
When can I go both ways?
You want, Papa?
on the kids' stuff.
What happened?
Told you what, don't be no gimme.
You got a soldering iron?
No, the Nickers thing.
You got a soldering iron?
I got a big one.
How does mine press this button?
Huh?
Next patch, alright. Track is hot, guys. Back up, back up, back up. All right. She's ready. Goodness gracious. That'd have been a race. Hi guys. Good race. Good race.
Well, I'm still gotta find a nut in and out.
This is mod stock. Oh, right lane.
I think he's gonna run into you.
I went straight. Don't do that.
Yeah, I thought he was in his lane.
I went over there.
We're all